This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Most Audi drivers believe they already know their car. They use navigation, Bluetooth, maybe cruise control, and that's it. But hidden inside Audi systems are powerful features designed to make driving safer, smoother, and more intelligent. Features that most owners never discover because they are buried deep inside menus, steering wheel controls, and adaptive systems that activate only in specific conditions. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through Audi's hidden technology. Not just what it does, but when to use it, how it behaves on the road, and why Audi designed it this way. By the end of this video, you'll understand your Audi at a completely different level. If you want to truly master your car instead of just driving it, subscribe to the channel. This series is designed to help you unlock features you already paid for, without upgrades, without subscriptions, and without dealer visits. And make sure to watch until the end, because the final features are the ones almost no Audi owner knows exist. Let's start with the Audi Digital Cockpit. Most drivers treat it like a screen that simply shows speed and navigation, but it's actually a context-aware driving interface. Using the steering wheel controls, press the View button to switch between layouts. These layouts are not just visual. They are designed for specific driving conditions. During highway driving, the simplified layout reduces visual overload and improves reaction time. In urban environments, the detailed layout gives priority to navigation cues and traffic information. Audi designed this system so that your eyes travel less, which directly improves safety at higher speeds. If you drive long distances, switching layouts based on context can significantly reduce fatigue. If your Audi is equipped with a head-up display, you may think it only shows speed, but the HUD is actually adaptive. Inside the vehicle settings, you can adjust brightness, information priority, and behavior based on driving mode. In dynamic mode, the HUD emphasizes speed and engine feedback. In comfort mode, it reduces information density and focuses on navigation and safety alerts. The key detail most drivers miss. The HUD changes its behavior automatically based on speed, light conditions, and assist systems. This means you don't need to constantly look down. Your Audi brings the information to your line of sight exactly when needed.
Adaptive cruise control in Audi vehicles is far more intelligent than most drivers realize. It doesn't just maintain distance, it learns your driving style.
Inside the assist settings, you can adjust how aggressively the car accelerates and brakes when following traffic. A smoother setting is ideal for highways and long trips. A more dynamic setting is better for city driving and fast-changing traffic. Audi's system also integrates navigation data. When approaching curves, exits, or roundabouts, the car may gently reduce speed before you even notice the situation. This is not a bug, it's predictive behavior. Once you understand this, adaptive cruise becomes a co-driver, not just a speed controller. Many drivers disable lane assist because it feels intrusive, but that's usually because it's not configured correctly. Inside the driving assist menu, you can adjust lane guidance strength. Light guidance works best for highways, while stronger guidance is useful during fatigue or night driving. Audi doesn't want the system to fight you. It wants to support you silently. When properly tuned, lane assist becomes almost invisible, stepping in only when you truly need it. This is one of the most misunderstood systems in modern cars. Audi Drive Select is often reduced to a simple choice between comfort and dynamic. But each mode changes multiple systems at once. Throttle response, steering weight, transmission behavior, suspension, climate control logic. In comfort mode, the climate system prioritizes silence and smooth airflow. In dynamic mode, it reacts faster and supports performance driving. Individual mode is where the magic happens. Here, you can combine comfort steering with dynamic engine response, perfect for daily driving. This is Audi engineering at its best, flexibility without complexity. Audi hides powerful climate shortcuts inside its interface. By pressing and holding certain climate icons, you can access advanced airflow control, seat heating behavior, and synchronization options. For example, seat heating doesn't just warm, it adapts intensity based on cabin temperature and driving time. Most drivers adjust it manually every time, without realizing the system can do it automatically. Once configured, your Audi remembers everything. Driver profiles are more than seat positions. Each profile stores driving assists, display layouts, climate preferences, audio behavior, navigation logic. This means two drivers can share the same car without compromise. Your Audi recognizes who is driving and adapts instantly, even before you start moving. This is one of the most underused features, yet one of the most powerful. Here's something most Audi owners never notice. Many systems activate only under specific combinations: speed plus steering angle plus traffic plus lighting conditions. This means your Audi may behave differently at night, in rain, or during long drives, intentionally. Audi doesn't expose all of this to news, because it's designed to work quietly in the background. Understanding this philosophy changes how you perceive the car. Your Audi is not just reacting, it's anticipating. All of these features are already inside your Audi. No upgrades, no subscriptions, just knowledge.
If this video helped you understand your car better, like it, subscribe, and check the playlist for other brands.
Drive smarter, drive aware, and enjoy what your Audi was truly built to do.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.